Hello guys, welcome to the Ajay Ruika Sharma channel. Before we begin, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel for more powerful spiritual stories. The story of Mahashivratri, the great night of transformation, the silent mountain high in the Himalayas beyond the noise of the world, said Lord Shiva in deep meditation. His eyes were closed, his body was still, but inside him the entire universe was alive. He was not a king sitting on a golden throne. He was not covered in jewels. He wore ashes. He sat on snow. He lived in silence because Shiva is not about luxury. Because Shiva is not about luxury, he is about power within. Mahashivratri is a night when time and this silent power becomes active. The cosmic dance. It is believed that one day scared night, Lord Shiva performed the powerful Tandav, the dance of creation and destruction. This dance was not ordinary with one step. Old things ended with another step. New beginnings started. The message sometimes destruction is necessary. We must destroy ego, anger, jealousy, and fear so that peace, love, and strength can grow. Mahashivratri remind us endings are not scary, they are opportunities. The divine marriage. Many believe that this is the holy night when Lord Shiva married goddess Parvati. Parvati performed deep penance for years to win Shiva heart. Her devotion was pure. Her faith was unbreakable. Finally, Shiva accepted her love. Their marriage symbolized balance, power and patience, strength and softness, silence and expression. Mahashivratri teaches us that true love requires dedication, respect, and spiritual connection. The night of awakening. On Mahashivratri, devotees stay awake all night. Why? Because this night is believed to be spirituality powerful. The planetary position creates an energy that helps the mind rise above negativity. People fast, they chant Om Namah Shivaya, they visit temples, they meditate. It's not just a ritual, it is a reminder. Stay awake in life, don't sleep in ignorance, be conscious, be aware. The real meaning Mahashivratri is not only about stories, it is about transformation. Shiv drank poison to save the universe. He kept it on his throat, becoming Neelkant Mahadev. What does that teach us? Life will give you poison, pain, betrayal, failure, but don't spread it. Hold it, transform it into strength. That is the real power of Shiva. The lesson for us. Mahashivratri tells us control your mind, remove your ego, stay calm in chaos, be simple, be powerful. You don't need to go to mountains, you just need to find the Shiv within you because Shiva is not outside only, he is the silence inside you are. Mahashivratri is night of courage, the night of awakening, the night of becoming stronger than your fear. Destroy your weakness, create your better self. That is the true salvation. Stay calm in every situation. Lord Shiva lives in the Himalayas in silence and deep meditation. Storms may come, snow may fall, the world may create chaos, but he remains calm. No matter how loud the world becomes, protect your inner peace. Your real strength is not in shouting, it is in staying calm when others lose control. When life becomes difficult, don't react immediately. Pause, think, respond wisely. Control your ego. Shiva is one of the most powerful gods, yet he lives a simple life. No golden palace, no golden palace, no royal crown, only ashes and simplicity. Power doesn't need show off. True greatness is silent. The moment ego enters, peace leaves. Stay humble. Even when you achieve success, transform negativity into strength. When poison came out during Samudra Manthan, Shiva drank it to save the universe. He became Neelkant, life will give you poison, criticism, heartbreak, failure, and other. Don't spread that poison to other. Don't become negative. Hold it, learn from it, through pain into power. That is real maturity. Balance is everything. Lord Shiva and Goddess Parvati represent balance, strength, and love, power, and patience. Lord Shiva is also known as Arandhranishvara, Ardhanvihara, half male, half female form. Life is only about balance. Life is about balance, work and family, anger, kindness, silence and expression. Too much of anything creates problem. Balance creates peace. Focus and discipline. Shiva spent years in meditation. If you want success, focus like Shiva. Distraction will always be there, but your goals require discipline. Meditation does not only mean closing eyes, it means concentrating fully on what truly matters. Accept yourself. Shiva is different. He wears snakes, he applies ash, he sits in cremation ground. He never tried to fit into society's standard. Be yourself. You don't need approval from everyone. The world may judge you, but confidence comes from self acceptance, detachment from material thing. Shiva is also called Mahayogi because he is detached from material desires. Money and success are important, but don't let them control you. Attachment creates fear of losing. Detachment creates freedom. Courage to destroy what is wrong. Lord Shiva is known as the destroyer, but he destroys negative, evil, and injustice. Sometimes in life you must destroy bad habits, you must remove toxic people, you must end wrong decisions. Construction is not always bad, sometimes it is necessary for growth. From Lord Shiva we learn stay calm in chaos, be humble in success, turn pain into strength, maintain balance, stay focused, accept yourself, remove negativity. Shiva is not just a deity to worship, he is a mindset to follow. If you follow even one quality of Shiva, your life will slowly transform. Har Har Mahadev. So, what we can give to today youth message? Today youth is not weak. They are confused, pressured, and distracted, but full of power. If we truly want to help the youth, and we must give them the right direction, not just advice. Let's understand deeply. Give them purpose, not just pressure. Most young people are running, but they don't know when they are going. Parents say get a job, society say earn money, social media say become famous. But no one asks them what is your purpose. Youth need direction more than motivation. Instead of forcing them to choose safe path, help them discover their passion. When a person has purpose, they wake up with energy. They don't need push, they have inner fire. Give them emotional strength. Today youth is fighting silent battles, comparison, anxiety, breakups, career stress, social media pressure. We should give them emotional education, teach them failure is not the end, rejection is not permanent, comparison steals happiness. Strong minds build strong futures. Give them real role models. Youth copy what they see. If they see fake success, they will chase fake dream. Short term real example like APJ Abdul Kalam, who rose from a small town to become a respected scientist and president of India through hard work and simplicity. Or MS Dhoni, calm under pressure, leading with patience and focus. They need example of discipline, not just grammar. Also, Virat Kohli. Virat Kohli is aggressive player, we all know, but He is very talented and hardworking person. He knows how to turn the game and how to achieve the success. After that, he become a calm, leading with patience and focus. When the Anushka came him life. So discipline is an example. We need and all need, not just glamour. Give them skill, not just degrees. Degrees are important, but skills build independence. Teach them communication, financial knowledge, time management, digital skills, problem solving. The world rewards value, not only certificates. When youths become skilled, they become confident. Give them freedom with responsibility. Too much control creates rebellion. Too much freedom creates confusion. Give them space to think, but also teach accountability. Let them fall sometimes. Mistakes teach more than lectures. Give them faith in themselves. Many young people doubt themselves. They see other moving fast and think, I am behind. Teach them this truth. Everyone has a different timeline. Slow growth is still growth. Remind them you are not late. You are learning, man. You are learning. Give them spiritual foundation, not only religion, but values. Teach them respect, gratitude, patience, and self control. Even the teaching of Lord Shiva show balance, calmness, and inner strength. Spiritual grounding keeps youth stable in unstable times. The final powerful message for youth. To today youth, you are not the problem, you are the potential. Don't waste your energy proving yourself to the world. Use it to improve yourself daily. Focus, stay disciplined, protect your peace, build skill. Choose good company, control your mind. The future does not belong to the strongest, it belongs to the most consistent person, and all should be all. And if you decide today, no one can stop you. The world is waiting for your greatness. Final motivation message for everyone. Before you read this, pause for a second, take a deep breath, because this message is not just motivation, it is a reminder. It is a reminder of who you really are. Life is not against you. Many times you feel, why is this happening to me? Why am I struggling so much? Why does success come easy to others but not to me? Listen carefully. Life is not against you. Life is training you. Every delay is preparation. Every failure is education. Every rejection is redirection. You are not being punished, you are being shaped. Pain is not permanent. There will be days when money is less, support is zero, motivation is gone. People understand you, but remember this, pain is a chapter, it is not the whole story. Even the darkest nights end with sunrise. If you don't quit, you are already stronger than 90% of people. Stop comparing your journey. Someone bought a car at 25. Someone started business at 40. Someone failed at someone failed at 30 and succeeded at 45. Life has no fixed timeline. Life has no fixed timeline. A flower and a tree. A flower and a tree grow at different speeds, but both are beautiful. Your journey is unique. Stop measuring it with someone else's clock. Discipline is greater than motivation. Motivation comes and goes, but discipline stays. The people who win in life are not always the most talented, they are the most consistent. Small daily effort into 365 days, massive transformation. Do not wait to feel ready. Start scared, start tired, start confused, but start. Protect your mind. Your biggest enemy is not outside, it is inside. Doubt, fear, overthinking. Feed your mind with good thoughts, good books, good company. If you control your mind, you control your life. Stay humble, stay hungry. Success should not change your character. Be kind when you rise, be patient when you fall. Ego destroys faster than failure. Remember when you started, remember who supported you. Gratitude attracts more blessing. You are stronger than you think. You survive things you once thought would break you. That means you are powerful. There is a fire inside you. There is a potential inside you. There is a greatness inside you. Maybe the world does not see it yet, but that doesn't mean it's not there. Keep working in silence. Let your result make the noise. One day you will look back at this phase and say, I'm proud. I don't quit. Life is short. Dream big. Work hard. Stay focused. Be honest. Respect everyone. Never give up on yourself because the world doesn't need another copy. It needs you. Strong, confident, disciplined, and unstoppable. This is your time, this is your journey, and your best chapter is still coming. Believe it, work it, and become it.